Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review simple texting. In this video I'm going to focus on solutions, on pricing plan, and what are the actually cons and pros of this software. Now, I really think that simple texting is an amazing tool, and I will explain you exactly why. The first thing you want to do, if you want to get also the free trial and everything, you will have a link down below in the description. You can click on it and you will get on the simple texting, and you can easily test it out the tool by yourself. And this is the first thing that I like, is that if you would click here start texting free, you don't have to add credit card and you can test it for 14 days as a free trial. This is the first advantage I always sell, because I don't like when software is asking for my credit card so I can actually use it. So this is a big thumbs up for simple texting, that you don't have the option here. All you have to do is just start texting free and test it out by yourself and see it by yourself. So you can actually see the program, how it works and everything. The second thing that I really like is when you would click here on a pricing plan, how many messages will you send per month? You see that it's the pricing plans is based on how many messages you're gonna send. So you don't have actually, like, let's say plans, like let's say that if you're gonna send up to 3K, you are going to pay, let's say, $200 per month. Here it always depends on the credit and how many messages you're gonna send. So this is really good, and I really like it when they have it also this way, and also it's not really that expensive from my perspective, because like if those 1,000 messages that you're gonna use for marketing are going to earn you, let's say, $400-500 in the moment, in that, like, it's going to be worth it for you, and that's really good. Now there's another thing. The next thing are the solutions, what they offer, and if it's actually easy to use. The solutions, as you have with the, let me just show you here. When you come here to solutions with the business texting, mass texting, automated text messages, this is really good. Then you're gonna see also the resources here for what kind of industries you can use it. Let's say e-commerce, and you have even option here how you can use it. So that's something you can do. And the one thing I also like about simple texting is their customer support. And that's something that's like top notch. So if you have any problem, they are happy to help you, and it's really worth it. Now, what are about the cons, and what can be the cons here? So one of the cons can be when you're actually sending SMS marketing campaign, you don't see for how long you have the contact in there. That's what I know. Maybe they changed it. Maybe you're watching this video and you can already know it. So you have a like list there of your contacts. Now also you have to really be careful about the renewal and really test it out when your limit is ending, if you have the credits and everything. So this is another thing that I would definitely recommend. Just get to know all the pricing details and all the renewal stuff, because some people said that it was a little bit like overflowing, I would say. Not overflowing, but it was like not that easy to understand the whole process of payment and everything. So that's something that I would definitely recommend. But other than that, simple texting is amazing too. So business text messaging service, and two-way texting, and it's really good that you can do. So you can message with people. Mass texting, that's another thing that you can do. Communication service that lets an organization or business send SMS messages to thousands of subscribers' mobile devices at the same time. So that's something you can do. You can send mass MMS and SMS messages in a minute. So let's say there is going to be like, I don't know, Christmas, and you want to send SMS campaign, you can actually do it. And that's like quite good and really good. And you see right here everything you need to send mass text and more. And then you're gonna see also automated text message services for business. Set up a text for info keyword, schedule messages in advance or create drip campaigns, enable automatic out of office messages. And that's something you can do. So as you can see, so let's say someone would order something from your store, And now what can happen is that, okay, he's going to order something from my store. 7 days from now, I'm going to send him a message that, okay, you're gonna have 20% off because you bought something from our store. And this is something that you can do. Follow with customers automatically. So every person you would connect it with your e-commerce store, every person who would actually use it would get like 5 days from now a message, and also auto reply to contacts outside of office hours. So plenty of stuff that you can do. And enterprise SMS marketing with two-way texting, that's something you can do, of course. So this is pretty much it. My recommendation is to use it. You can also read all the reviews here in Capterra about simple texting, and as you can see, plenty of people are actually satisfied with it. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. And definitely, if you're like good with this video, you can click on the link down below the description and register through that. See ya.